Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A3 Core. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. Firstly, let's go to Settings and Display. Here we can turn on Dark Mode and adjust brightness. We can turn on Auto Brightness and Outdoor Mode. We can set wallpaper and turn on Show Battery Percentage. We can set screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes and choose our navigation bar. And the last, we can choose Screensaver. Also, we can change the font size. If you find this tutorial helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.